Story Nest.
Tina, the tortoise, with her mossy green shell gleaming in the sunlight, and Benny the bunny, his white fur a blur of motion, stood at the edge of a meadow bursting with colorful wildflowers. The air hummed with the buzz of bees and the gentle whisper of the breeze. They were on a quest, not for speed alone, but to discover the legendary secret recipe for joy. A tale whispered among the meadow creatures. Benny, his nose twitching with excitement, bounded ahead, a streak of white against the vibrant hues of the blossoms. He leaped over daisies and dodged swaying buttercups, his energy boundless. Tina, with a slow and steady determination, began her journey, her wise eyes taking in the beauty around her, the intricate patterns on each petal, the delicate dance of the butterflies. Soon Benny found himself far ahead, but he paused by a patch of sweet-smelling lavender, captivated by a family of ladybugs marching across a leaf. He forgot all about the race, his heart filled with a simple delight as he watched their tiny journey. Tina, meanwhile, continued her steady pace, a gentle smile on her face as she inhaled the fragrant air, appreciating the warmth of the sun on her shell. Further along, the path led through a field of sunflowers, their faces turned towards the sky like golden beacons. Benny, now remembering the race, sped through, his eyes fixed on the distant horizon. He didn't notice the intricate patterns of the sunflower seeds or the busy bees collecting nectar. Tina, however, took her time, marveling at the sheer size and cheerful disposition of the giant blooms. She felt a sense of awe and wonder, a quiet joy filling her heart. Finally, they both reached the ancient oak tree at the edge of the meadow, where the secret recipe was said to be hidden. They found an old weathered scroll with a single word written on it: presence. Benny and Tina looked at each other, a realization dawning in their eyes. They had both experienced joy, but in different ways. Benny found fleeting happiness in the excitement of speed and the charm of small creatures, while Tina discovered a deeper, more lasting joy in observing and appreciating the beauty of the present moment. They realized that the secret recipe for joy wasn't a destination, but a way of traveling through life, with open hearts and mindful steps, finding happiness in every petal, every breeze, and every shared moment.